How you doing, guys? And welcome back. Welcome back to another day of fun in the sun here in Miami, Florida. But today we're not going on the boat. We're going on a Jeep. Yep, it's a Jeep thing. And yeah, we got invited to a Jeep meet being hosted by Off-Road and Chill. So if you like guys mudding and jeeping, go check out their channel. And jeeping is just like boating. It's family and friends coming together to enjoy a good day of fun.
Back at it again.
Damn, what happened to your knee, bro?
We got a full house. Going somewhere new today. Hopefully it's good. Hopefully it's fun.
They said that we're getting a family discount.
Ok, aquí estamos en el evento hoy de Marlo, aquí de Off-Road and Chill. So, si le gusta lo que estás viendo hoy aquí, mira el canal del Off-Road and Chill en español, right? Ya, así mismo.
Y bueno, el canal de nosotros se trata de todo lo mismo que ustedes siempre están mirando, de Jeep más bien, pero en español, porque muchísimas personas no hablan inglés y bueno, la verdad es que tenía yo que inventar un canal de Jeep y todo este tipo de off-road en español. Así que suscríbase al canal de Off-Road and Chill en español.
So let's walk around and see what everybody's up to and take a look at the Jeeps.
guys, so here we are, Saturday at a cool Jeep meet. It's called Off-Road and Chill. So if you have a Jeep and all these, you know, you want to show it off, these guys get together and they hang out. Now, Fresco forgot his fishing rods because obviously there's a lake over here, canal. So Fresco forgot the fishing rods, and Joel and Fresco, they want to fish. So they left me here by myself as they go back home to get the fishing rods. So they'll be back in a few minutes. A lot of cool Jeeps, a lot of lovely ladies like her right there. And it's a good time to bring out the family and to see all these cool Jeeps that are set up different ways, different wheels, different tires. See some lifted, some Jeeps out here with factory tires, but it's all about a good time, barbecue, family, and positive energy. Look at these guys over here. Look, check this out. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. What are these guys doing over here? What's up? What do you guys do, bro? You burned it. It's okay. A little flavor. Oye, están quemando pan. Epa.
Almost ready, almost ready.
Got him. Oh! 5 second rule. Get it, 5 second rule.
Hay que aguantarla, hay que aguantarla.
Aguántala, aguanta. He dropped the sausage. Don't ever drop the sausage. Never drop it.
Never drop it.
All right, what's a party without beer pong?
Hey, Fresco Channel.
Hey, no cheating. Oh! Where is it? With wind resistance. What are you doing, man?
4 locos.
4 locals.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you dropped the salsilla earlier, bro.
Rookie mistake, bro.
Damn. Oh, sorry. Yeah, let's get one. Let's taste this. It's good. Okay, what happened? Wait, where is it?
If you make a center shot, it's a 4 loco shot.
If you make a center one, it's a 4 locos. Well, there is 4 crazy people playing, so I guess it makes sense. So as you can see, it's really cool. Good time out here, hanging out with Off-Road and Chill Jeep Club. And man, I'm not gonna lie to you, I never hung out with these guys before, but it's really, really cool. And I'm still waiting for Fresco. Fresco, where are you? They left me stranded. Did you get your fishing rods yet? Anyways, check out these wheels. So as you can see, you don't need a Jeep to hang out. That's a really nice Chevy right there. And let me tell you something. There's some really cool Jeeps. But I saw some Chevys, I saw some Fords. There's even an Isuzu, check it out. For some reason that one didn't make it down the hill, but it's all right. You don't need wheels, you don't need tires, look, factory. Some of these guys are rolling stock, some of them are not. But the point is to come out here fishing, like these guys right here. What's up, guys? And it's about barbecues and having a good time. Shout out to Off-Road and Chill and these guys out here.
No.
Everybody came out to have a good time today. Jeep life. Jeep life. Jeep life. Oh, I thought he said cheap life. He said Jeep life. All right. I'm all about that cheap life though. All right. Check this 2-door out. Let's catch up with with this guy, see if he caught anything. So, did you catch anything yet?
Nothing yet, brother. We're still having fun.
There you go. All right, guys. And Fresco's still not back. Where the hell are you, bro? Come back. I'm stranded. And I don't have a Jeep. So yeah, that's pretty cool. I mean, a lot of these Jeeps have like, you know, spare tires and emergency kits in the back of their Jeeps, kind of like this guy right here. He has a television and a bar in the back of his Jeep. Check this out, really cool. His name is Angel, he made this himself. It's been like 20 minutes and I came back and the game still looks exactly the same. What's going on, bro? Look at this.
That's the third game, dude.
It's third game?
Yeah.
Oh, man.
It's 1-1.
All I know is that there's less drinks and more rocks. And guess who made it back?
I made it. It was a food tour. Check it out. Check it
Well,
out.
you got food? Let me see.
Some really good smoke.
What you get?
I got smoked rams.
Oh,
No sausages. No sausages.
Talk about a sausage. You saw what happened to the last sausage.
What happened to it?
Oh, man. Look who made it.
No.
Oye, nosotros dijimos que no íbamos a venir.
¿Por qué?
¿Trajiste la para, verdad?
Sí.
Yeah, todo.
Ahí atrás. Ah, mira, mira el barbecue que dice, mira.
Dale, vamos para allá.
Fila acá, se hizo barbecue y viene para atrás, bro.
No, eso lo compraste en el Palacio de los Jugos. Déjala de cara.
Tan rápido no puede ser.
No, pero está rico, está rico.
Desde caro, bro. Eso lo compraste en el Palacio de los Jugos.
Tuve una hora, lo que puse fast.
No, bro, no sabes carajo.
Eso fue en el microwave. Hey Fresco, what are you doing?
Setting up the lures.
What do you think you're gonna catch with that?
Hopefully bass.
Bass?
Yes! I'm gonna make it on the barbecue today here. I don't know, we'll see what happens.
Yo, so you think your brother's gonna catch a bass or what?
Yeah, I think he's gonna catch a bass.
Okay, let's wait and see.
Maybe if he got bass.
Any drinks?
Hey, so the pressure's on. Your family says that you're gonna be able to catch a bass.
Hopefully.
You can't let them down. Do you feel pressure?
No, I don't feel pressure.
You confident?
Yeah.
All right. Let me see what you got.
I got you.
Let me see what you got. Do it. Let me see what you got, man. See your skills.
They're all over there under like the dark side. See if I can catch them right now. If I catch them right now, it'll be cool.
You're going to. I feel it.
All right, so while everybody's hanging out with the Jeep, look at this. Look at this monster.
There's like 3 more.
Wow, it's a nice catch. So here we are, hanging out. It's a Jeep thing today. There's a whole bunch of folks hanging out. It's a Jeep thing today, hanging out here at the hangout. I don't even know where it's at.
In the woods.
Where we at?
Man, you know what? All I know is I saw 3 storks, an alligator, and a squirrel. It's kind of scary.
Making a barbecue. We got Yuli hanging out today, right here. Yuli!
it's been a little while, but I found a really hot girl here. I think I'm in love. I don't even have words how much I think she's so hot. I want to introduce you guys to her. And comment below if you think, actually leave a comment below from a 1 through a 10 if you think she's hot. It's my girlfriend. What's up, girl? She's hot, right? I know. Uh-oh, we got a dancer over here. What? Hey. High five. High five. Hey! Did you win the what was it? The beer pong? Come on, bro.
Where's Marley? I won 2 times.
Did you win or you lose?
He lost, bro. He lost.
All right, so look, as promised, we're gonna give away the hat.
Oh,
There you go.
Yeah, if I win.
He's taking the.
Wait a minute.
Then you got a big head, bro.
Wait a minute. Yeah, I got it.
There you go. It's official.
Oh,
It's official.
He won it. He's the winner.
You're the winner.
He's the winner.
you know, Fresco Channel. Yeah.
En la casa.
Ya tú sabes, papá.
All right, so it was a great event. It was very successful, and it's all about unity. I'm gonna go around the horn to let everybody know who was involved in here. These guys have amazing Jeeps, amazing Jeep clubs, and we want to give everybody an equal shout out. And I want to bring it around the horn so everybody give themselves a shout out. Where you guys from?
Off-road and chill.
Huh?
Off-road and chill.
Off-road and chill.
Off-road and chill.
Fresco Channel.
Damn right.
Planet Off-Road.
Planet Off-Road 4x4.
What is it?
Conejos Locos 4x4.
Planet Off-Road.
Conejo Locos 4x4.
Conejos Locos 4x4.
There you go, guys.
Well, like you saw, it was a great turnout. It was fun for the kids and the adults. And let me know in the comments what you guys think about it. And don't forget to subscribe for future videos and make sure you hit the little bell to get all the notifications.